If you're choosing between AutoLeap and ShopMonkey for your auto repair shop, this video saves you hours of research. I went through hundreds of verified reviews on G2 and Capterra, so you don't have to. Drop a like if this helps, and let's get into it. Overview. Both are cloud-based shop management platforms. They cover estimates, invoicing, scheduling, digital vehicle inspections, and customer communication. Both integrate with QuickBooks and work on any browser. On the surface, they look identical. The differences are in the details. Pricing. AutoLeap starts at $179 month, ShopMonkey at $199. AutoLeap wins on entry price. Ease of use. AutoLeap scores 9, 3/10 on G2. ShopMonkey dropped after their version 2 redesign. Real users said it added more clicks and more steps to the same basic tasks. Most AutoLeap shops were fully running within 2 weeks. Scheduling. AutoLeap 9.3 versus ShopMonkey 8.4. Technicians in ShopMonkey can't access the shop calendar directly, a real friction point in a busy shop. Inventory, biggest gap, AutoLeap 8.6 versus ShopMonkey 6.3. AutoLeap gives real-time parts tracking and live price comparison across suppliers. ShopMonkey users consistently flag inventory accuracy issues. Support, AutoLeap scores 9, 8/10 on G2, one of the highest in the entire category. Just watch the contract. Some users reported auto-renewal without clear notice. Integrations. AutoLeap connects with Mitchell and ProDemand for labor times and repair data. That's a big deal if your advisors use those daily. AutoLeap wins for most independent shops. Better inventory, better scheduling, stronger support, and deeper integrations. Choose ShopMonkey if you want a simpler interface and don't do heavy parts ordering. Either way, request a demo from both and let your actual team test them for a week. Links are in the description. Subscribe for more honest software comparisons, no sponsorships. Comment below and tell me what you're using right now. See you in the next one.